Welcome to KSA Expats. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the process of obtaining a Dubai eVisa for Saudi Iqama holders. Whether you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or visiting family and friends, this video will provide you with all the information you need for a smooth and hassle-free application. Let's get started. Traveling to Dubai is an exciting opportunity, and for Saudi Iqama holders, the process has been made easier with the introduction of the eVisa system. The Dubai eVisa for Saudi Iqama holders is valid for 30 days and can be extended once for another 30 days. Here's what you need to know about the terms and conditions. Once your application is approved, the eVisa will be sent to your registered email address. Applications for Saudi expatriate residents and their companions traveling with Saudi citizens will not be approved if the sponsor is not traveling with them. The entry permit for Saudi residents is valid for 30 days from the date of issue and can be extended once for another 30 days. The entry permit for companions of Saudi citizens is valid for 60 days from the date of issue and can be extended once for another 60 days. Your Saudi residency must be valid for at least 3 months from the arrival date. Your passport must be valid for at least 3 months from the arrival date. If the profession of the Saudi resident changes after the issuance of the entry permit, entry will be denied. If the Saudi resident's visa is expired or canceled upon arrival, entry will be denied. Saudi residents and their companions must apply for an eVisa online before arriving in the UAE. You can apply through either the General Directorate of Residency and Foreigners Affairs, GDRFA Dubai for Dubai, or the Federal Authority for Identity, Citizenship, Customs, and Port Security, ICP, for other Emirates. Let's walk through the steps to apply for a Dubai eVisa through GDRFA Dubai. First, gather the required documents: a valid passport or travel document, a copy of your residence permit, or an electronic extract stating the profession and validity of residence, a personal photo with a white background. Next, follow these steps. Visit the GDRFA Dubai website, register as a user, choose the appropriate visa service, fill in the application form with the necessary details, pay the visa fee of AED 250 plus 5% VAT. After approval, the visa will be sent to your registered email. The expected approval time is approximately 48 hours. Make sure you meet the following additional requirements. Ensure there are no restrictions preventing you from entering the country. Your passport or travel document must be valid for at least 6 months. You should have a residence permit valid for no less than 1 year. Your profession must be on the list of approved professions for issuing the visa. Obtaining a Dubai eVisa for Saudi Iqama holders is a straightforward process if you follow these guidelines and ensure that all your documents are in order. By applying online through GDRFA Dubai or ICP, you can secure your visa within 48 hours and enjoy your trip to Dubai without any hassle. Make sure to check the validity of your residency and passport, and always travel with your sponsor if required. For any updates or changes in the visa application process, refer to the official websites of GDRFA Dubai or ICP. Safe travels. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. And don't forget to visit ksaexpats.com for more detailed information. See you in the next video.